All right, Colin, so what are you doing right now?
I'm making glow-in-the-dark slime.
Okay. What is your hypothesis?
My hypothesis is I'm going to make slime and probably make it glow.
Okay.
I hope.
So what did you just put in there?
You put in cornstarch and glow-in-the-dark powder. Pretty sure you can't get glow-in-the-dark powder at the stores. I think you can only get in this set. Okay, can I take off my glasses?
Oh, you look smart with the glasses on, buddy. Cheese.
Yeah, I know.
All right, now you can take your little spoon there and you can probably mix that up.
But I think...
So this is just water and cornstarch right now?
No.
And the glow-in-dark powder?
There's
no
no
water.
cornstarch
Oh,
in
no
there.
water. Okay.
No water in there.
No water. Wait,
Go ahead.
we don't mix it up yet.
Yes. Put it in your beaker and mix.
Yeah, and mix.
Make sure you get in the bottom. That's where all your glow-in-the-dark powder is at.
And if you want to do this, all you have to do is buy the glow-in-the-dark chemistry set and...
Here, do you want me to show what chemistry set it is?
Yes.
Okay.
And you get that, and it's... I'm pretty sure...
Like he's advertising for me here on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And so, if you get that, you're gonna make. You can make. Mama, can you read it off?
It's glow
Slime. Glowing slime.
Yeah, you can make different projects than just glowing slime. You can make a glowing volcano. You can make glowing dough. You can make alien blood. You can make so much stuff. You make ooze and all that stuff.
So what are you doing, babe?
I am measuring 1/8 of a cup of water.
Yes, and you also need to.
I think you're probably stirred up enough, buddy.
You also need adults to help you with these experiments.
So, I don't have 1/8 of a cup measuring cup. So, using this equivalency chart, how many tablespoons of
Which one's tablespoon? This one?
Nope, that's teaspoon. TBSB, that's tablespoon. Yep. So
2 tablespoons.
that's right. And that's how much I put in there. So we're doing good there. Okay.
Yes,
Now we also need to add coloring. So, out of our color choices here, which one would you like to
Blue.
add? Blue.
Blue.
Okay, and they say 1 drop, add a drop or 2.
Also, you can, depends what kind of food coloring you have.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you have to have...
1, 2, good. 3, stop.
You have to have, up the dental.
It's fine.
What?
Up a dental.
Where does it say that? Optional.
Optional.
Food coloring is optional, meaning you don't have to have food coloring.
Add a drop or 2 of food coloring if you wish. Now, what step 3 say?
Step 3. Add the water into the beaker. Mixture a little bit of time at a time, stirring as you go. When it gets too thick to mix anymore, take the mixture and
Knead it.
eat it with your hands.
Okay, so
Put that in.
a little bit at a time and stirring. Do you want me to pour or do you want me to stir?
I want you to pour.
Okay,
And you stir.
so I'm gonna
Ah.
take this.
Also, you have to have like 22 household items if you want to make everything in here.
Mm-hmm.
That's a lot. Also, some of them you might not have at your home. That's okay. I'll put that on there.
Alright.
It's okay because you don't have to make like 5 ingredients or 5 tests. So, I just want to make...
Start mixing, buddy.
You can't just talk because you've got to do science. If you just talk and you don't do science, then what are you really talking about?
I don't know. Jake, you can have more.
Okay.
You have to mix while you you do it in. That's getting too thick to mix. Way too thick to mix. It's too thick to mix. It's way too thick to mix. take the mix.
Here, buddy, you want to hold the camera and let me stir it?
Yes.
Here. Let me see. Yeah, is it supposed to get like this?
Yes, it is. Wow. It's supposed to get really thick. When it gets too thick to mix, you stop.
Okay, well, it's pretty thick, so.
But you have to add all that water in.
You don't have to add it all,
I think.
Like we might need, we need something a little bit stronger. How about I use this knife?
Yeah, no. Well, you can try. That better?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit better?
Because there was still some at the bottom that's not mixed up. Okay.
I think that's good. That's good.
Yeah, switch plates real quick. Oh, after you start your kneading process, you here.
Yeah, let's
get the rest in.
Yeah,
there?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Also, guys, if you're gonna use a knife, let the adult do it. You might cut your finger. This is 8 and up, so any like 5 years old watching, please don't. Please don't buy it. Unless you have an adult. Well, of course you have to.
Yeah, you want me to stir a little?
Yeah.
Okay.
Also, science is not a toy. Or science stuff is not a toy. It's science. Science. Also, you might want your adult to mix it, because if it gets too thick, well, of course I want the kid to mix it, so when it's too thick for the kid to mix it, or you to mix it, stop. And I think we're done making the slime. Whoop. That's what slime's supposed to be like.
Here.
Whoa.
I believe I played with this as a kid.
I never
Pretty
got.
interesting stuff.
Yeah, I know. But I never got to play with it.
Well, you will now.
You don't need to get off it now, because that's a lot of slime. How do you knead it?
I think the kneading process is probably already done.
Yeah.
I think at this point you're in the playing process, sir.
It says to watch it ooze between your fingers. So like pick it up and oh my goodness. Is it oozing? Oh, it's oozing.
It's just so wet, but it's, I don't know if it's
like it feels wet, but it's not like, ooh.
Mm-hmm. It's the cornstarch.
Oh. Should we call Butt over here to feel it?
No.
Why?
I don't know. He's gonna try to eat it.
No, he won't.
He's gonna try to do something with it.
So, is this how you expected it to feel and what it was going to look like?
Kind of and kind of not. It's kind of sad that I can't really pick it up.
It might have been needed a little more.
No, that's about the right consistency.
Okay. Is it like drying to the plate, maybe?
Nope, it's just how it is. The cornstarch kind of just goes to the bottom, but it doesn't fall out of the water, so it's
Oh, yeah.
it kind of feels heavy and it
Yeah, it is heavy.
it drips.
What do you think, buddy?
I think this is awesome.
Would you recommend this science experiment to someone else?
I recommend this to, well, I don't really know anybody else that really likes science.
No, I didn't say to say someone. I want to know if you thought other people should do this.
Here, hold your hands up. Hold your hands up.
I really think other like YouTubers or some kids that you don't have to be a YouTuber to make this stuff.
Okay.
I just really like being a YouTuber.
Is it hard to control?
Yeah,
Yes.
Hold your hands out. I need your hands out. Because whenever I get it, I'm going to have to move fast. Go.
Oh, wow. All right, now let it go through your fingers, buddy.
Oh,
Oh, that's cool.
I want to show you guys something.
Okay.
Okay, go.
It almost is like your putty.
Yeah, it's also like putty. If you're a putty fan, buy slime. Or at least make slime. Ready, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, I need a lot of slime and they can do this. So I have to wait, I need a... Oh!
What are you trying to do?
Trying to make a
All right,
ball.
get your hand back on the plate, buddy.
Trying to make a ball out of it.
No, you can't make a bowl out of it.
See, I want to show you something. If it's too thick,
No, it's not going to do that.
it's too thick. That's bad. But look.
All right, we're signing off on this experiment.
Not yet.
It's time to play. Oh, maybe not.
You have to like get a
Here,
lot
babe.
of it. And then I have to like do this. I have to push my fingers in, and then I have to get it and I jab at it. See, it feels like it's metal, but when I just put my fingers in it, it goes through. That's the wonder of science. And now we're signing off this.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Bye.